Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to take a photo on DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's begin! In order to change the photo, and actually in order to be able to take the photo, you first need to change the mode of the camera. So as you can see, let me quickly not show you these ugly keyboards. Instead, let's show you this beautiful geese. You want to go and click the camera icon in the left bottom corner. And of course, this doesn't really have to be camera. It can be really whatever. For example, you have the panorama option, photo, low light, slow motion, and time-lapse video. But we want to switch to simple camera. We can click once in order to make sure that we are going to use the camera. I'm going to zoom a little. And now we can simply take a photo by clicking the shutter button once. Or if you're using applications like I do, you can hit here to also create a nice photo. Of course, we can increase the zoom, and I don't know, we can just take photos this way. And of course, if you want, you can take different photos. For example, we can go into panorama. And now we can also go and try to record something. But in here, unfortunately, the zoom doesn't work. But we can try to take photo. And shooting has stopped. So we can now click one more time. And yeah, this is basically how it works. So that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.